Hello guys, let me tell you how to convert PDF to an Excel file. Number 1. Navigate to I love PDF in your browser and click the PDF to Excel selection. Here down you can see that convert PDF to Excel. It's blinking on it. Rule number 2. Click select PDF file and select the PDF you want to convert or drag drop the file into the page. Just click select PDF file, select your file, then drop here. Rule number 3. Leave the no occur option. Select it should be default and click convert to file. Look here, your file has been selected. Just click on the convert to Excel. Rule number 4. After a few seconds, the conversion process should be completed. Click download Excel to your download converted file. You can click here and download your file. Thanks for watching Common Issues. Please kindly subscribe and like. Thank you.